Hey everybody, welcome back to the Traveling to See channel, where we love to travel, love to share. Traveling's great on land, sea, and air. Come with us as we go and see together how much better our traveling can be. Time for breakfast on our trip in 2024. You get hungry when you're traveling, and we were traveling from Indianapolis, Indiana to Long Beach, Mississippi, and we spent the night in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And that morning, we were looking for a place for breakfast around Bowling Green, and we discovered Just Love Coffee Cafe in Bowling Green, Kentucky. What are you going to see in this video? Overview of Just Love Coffee Cafe in Bowling Green, ratings and reviews, our experience in August of 2024, menu offerings, food quality, service, cleanliness, what will be the next restaurant stop on this trip, or it may not even be a restaurant, might be the next stop, and how to find other restaurant reviews on the Traveling to See channel, and the Just Love Coffee Cafe's full menus for your review at the end of this video. Hey, check out our video about Rafferty's, dinner at Rafferty's there in Bowling Green. What a fine meal that was. And also check out our video where we had lunch the previous day at Slapfish restaurant in Fishers, Indiana, and boy, was that ever good. City of Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's always a great place for us to stop kind of halfway in our travels when we go up to visit family. And here's their website, and you can check that out. Here is the website for the Just Love Coffee Cafe. They're in Bowling Green, and here on their website you can see about their story. We wanted our space to be welcoming to everyone, whether they like high-end coffee or like Folgers, says Jason Smith, the roast master with Just Love Coffee Cafe. We worked hard to create an atmosphere that went beyond coffee as well, from the charitable nature of our brand and the inclusivity of our design that opens the space to a wide variety of social and independent activity, to the playful nature of our food menu that really creates a memorable experience and is a great conversation starter. We would certainly agree with that. And here on their website, they've got menus for their food and their coffee. Those menus, again, are at the end of this video. And they've got catering available. They can deliver coffee to your doorstep. And they've got testimonials out on their website as well. And here's their Facebook page. And the Facebook page has over 4,000 followers there in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Very popular indeed. And TripAdvisor rates them very highly as well. They are rated at 5 stars. And Yelp.com, that's how we found them, was on Yelp, and they've got 4.2 stars on Yelp.com. So now let's take a look and see what we found when we went inside. Here you can see they're in a strip plaza. You zoom in and there they are, Just Love Coffee Cafe. And when you go inside, you see it's counter service, nicely decorated. Menu is on the wall, and we'll get into the menu in greater detail here. But you order at the counter, Then go find a nice comfortable place to sit down. And there is Everybody Deserves Loving Coffee. It's their logo on the wall. And up in the ceiling they've got coffee bags hanging from the ceiling. Very interesting. And they've got all your fixings there, as well as available Wi-Fi. And we ordered and went and found a nice table. So what did we order? Well, let's take a look at the menu choices. Again, you can see the full menu at the end of this video, but there on the board you can see they've got breakfast, not so plain Jane, berry, chicken and sweet, flying pig, womelette, spinach feta, womelette, and such. Look at all those. Got some platters, and they've got sides too. They got cup of soup and bacon, sausage and such. And for lunch they've got a lot of choices. And but we weren't there for lunch this day. We were there for breakfast. You can see they've got sandwiches and salads. They've also got some sweet treats there that sound very interesting. Here's their local favorites: stuffed grilled cheese and classic club. There's the children's menu. On Mondays they have this stuffed grilled cheese that is a special. Really looks good, doesn't it? And of course it is a coffee shop, so they have beverages in a wide variety. Got drip coffees, classic cafes, traditional espressos, signature lattes, cold brews, teas, other drinks. Oh, really great. So what did we pick? Well, our meals. My beautiful wife Emily, she was really enjoying the trip, and she chose the bacon tater waffle. Tots made into waffles, cheddar cheese, bacon, black pepper, served with a side of sour cream or ketchup. And there's her selection. She's got some salsa and sour cream there to go with it. She really enjoyed it, and she's got a latte to go along with that as well. And myself, I went with the spinach feta womelette, egg, spinach, feta, basil, onions, peppers, tomatoes, and black pepper. And take a look at this. And I added sausage as well. But look at that. And I had a Kai latte, and we got a couple of cookies to go along with it. And we got some cookies for the road too, because they were great. And the bill's very reasonable. I've lost track of the bill, but it was very reasonable. And service very good. And clean too. If the bathroom is clean, the kitchen is clean. That's what we always say. So I hope this was useful to you in our search for breakfast in Bowling Green, Kentucky. One of our favorite stops when we're traveling in that area. And our discovery was Just Love Coffee Cafe there in Bowling Green. Gotta try it if you're there. So, where will we eat our next meal on our way home? Also, we've got a special stop coming. So like and subscribe. You can check out our next stop. And at Traveling to See, we do love to travel. We do love to share. And we have got playlists on the channel for the top 5 restaurants across the Mississippi Gulf Coast. That's home for us. We really love it here. We also have playlists for the top attractions across the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And we cover all kinds of events and attractions. So keep watching. We have been enjoying this trip. Love to share it with you. And here is the full menu at the Just Love Coffee Cafe. See the links below? But you can see they've got, here's their popular items. And for breakfast. And these are somewhat different than some of the things that we had on our sign there, in the lighted sign in the restaurant. And here's the lunch offerings. And this is off of their website, this menu. You can see they've got a lot of different choices there. Spinach strawberry salad, that looks good. And they've got sides. And they've got the sweet treats. And they've got beverages. And they have a lot of different beverages. Look at that. White chocolate and caramel latte, vanilla latte, caramel macchiato, chai. I really like chai myself. And look, they've got this London Fog and Nitro, Red Eye. So a lot of different choices. And of course for the kids, they've got some good choices for the kids as well. So comment below. Have you been to one of the Just Love Coffee Cafes? Share your experiences with us. And keep watching, keep traveling, enjoy life. God bless, and see you in the next video. Where will it be?